Good day, friends and subscribers of YouTube. How are you? Welcome everyone for this indicated click at the right time and the most precise moment to enjoy this new video. Thank you for being here. Well, guys, Apple has already presented its new version of software for its mobile devices, right? In this case, the device, since I have it updated to iOS 26.1, right, which is its latest software version, and here we are going to unlock this device. Okay, we are going to do it using the QPE method, but first I will show you that this device is locked. So here I am going to show you that the device is locked. As you can see, indeed, the device is completely locked. I can't use it with another company, and for that, we are going to use the QPE method to unlock it, right? So, as you saw, indeed, the device is completely locked, right? So, we are going to place this here and proceed to take the steps to install what is the QPE method, right? The first step we need to do is to scan the QR to install what is the profile. This is what we are going to do first, to scan the profile. I am going to place this device here, and with the camera I am going to scan it. Here I have it scanned. I am going to go to Safari. Yes, and here, as you can see, it is asking me to install the profile. And here it says that the profile is already installed. Yes. So let's proceed to install it. Mostly kasi our account in the secure, we're going to look for it in settings. Here, as you can see, is the profile, right? Here it is. We install it, install.
Ready.
Okay, now there is an important thing that we also have to do, which is on the information side, we are going to look for the device's trusted certificates. And here is the profile we installed. We are going to activate it. Ready? The trust certificate is now activated, which is the next step we have to take, right? And for that, well, now what we need to do is enter our Wi-Fi network, right? We are going to click on the icon here with the letter I or exclamation mark, okay? And we are going to go down here to the bottom to configure a proxy, right? As you can see here in the proxy, it is deactivated. We are going to set it to manual, and we are going to write the server address, which is qpa.synhub.cn. And the server uses a port numbers, which in this case is 12301. That is port 12301, and the URL address qpa.synhub.cn. We save it, and that's it, right? We've already set up the proxy. So now what we need to do is perform the scan to verify if we have properly installed the profile. That's the next step we need to take. Here I am going to use another QR code which will help me verify that I installed the profile correctly. We open the camera app on the device again, right? And well, here I have already scanned it. Let's open it. Here it is. Let's see. As you can see here, I already scanned that QR code and some green letters appear here, which indicate that the profile is successfully installed on the device, right? Yep, right. With this, I can make sure that I can continue with the other steps to set up the QPE method, right? Okay, now the next step we have to do is to enter cellular network. And here in cellular network, we are going to install what is an eSIM, right? The virtual eSIM, well, you have to buy it. Many people ask me where they can buy it, right? You can buy it on eBay, you can buy it on Amazon, right? So we are going to use the second option, which is to use a QR code. This has to be provided by the seller you find on eBay or Amazon, right? Who sells you the eSIM and gives you the other QR codes I've used in the video, right? I'm going to scan the eSIM. I am going to use the option here, scan QR code. As you can see, here it is doing the scan. Let's see if it worked. It seems like it did. Let's click here to continue. At this step, I've been told that this takes, well, its moment, right? It takes its time to move on from here. Well, then, in the meantime, let's chat a bit. I ask you that if you are enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, comment on it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and activate the bell for when I upload a new video. And in the description of this video at the bottom are the links to the WhatsApp and Telegram groups in case you want to be part of this nice community, right? If you give me your like and comment and share it, well, this will make it reach many more people who need to use this QPE method to activate the device, right, with an RSIM and achieve, well, the perfect unlocking, right? Let me remind you that you can ask your questions, inquiries, and comments. You can leave them down there in the comment box. I will gladly respond to clear up any doubts you have about this QPE method, right? Remember, we are doing it on iOS 26.1. We are carrying out this QPE method, right? So this step, well, it's completely normal for it to take time to install. Don't worry, this is completely normal. So it takes time to do it, right? And it takes time, doesn't it? Remember that also on my channel, we have videos on unlocking with normal, with RSIM, right? Using the manual TMSI method or TMSI, however you want to call it. We also use that method, and soon that will be the next video we upload on this channel. Also, remember that I have videos on jailbreak, I have videos on bypassing iCloud accounts, right? Both by paying and also using the free versions, right? Done, it's finished. We click here on don't. And well, as you can see, it's already here, installed this. And what we need to do now is we're going to delete the profile, yes, that we is installed, right? We're going to go to general, we're going to go to information. Let's go to trusted certificates, and this profile needs to be removed, but we also have to delete this one. Let me see how we delete. How do we delete this profile? I think it's here. Device management and VPN. Here is the eSIM. Here it is. We delete the profile because we no longer need it, right? We delete the profile. And now what follows is to delete the proxy, right? We go into Wi-Fi. We go in here again to the exclamation mark or the I symbol. We are going to enter here in configure proxy. And here in configure proxy, we are going to leave it deactivated. We will save it, okay, and that's it. Now, we removed the proxy, we deleted the profile, and what remains, well, now next is to install the RSIM. I am going to use an MKS Ultra here. We are going to use this one, okay? Let's see. We are going to install it in its tray. Done. Now we install the SIM card. We install the SIM card. Done. Now we are going to insert it into the device. It's done. Now we have to wait for the menu to appear. And here in the menu, we are going to use option number 5. 5G mode SIM QPE Pro. Also, they are going to focus on this option. We are also going to choose the company of the device, the original carrier of this device. The original carrier of this device is T-Mobile and accept, right? So we have to wait for the signal to establish. Now we have to do another step, okay? Let's go into cellular network, and here in cellular network we have to configure this here. For example, here in main, here it should be your number that you are going to use, and here in this other one here, personal, here, well, you will label it, right? We will put here do not delete. Do not delete, meaning do not remove it. Okay. All right. Let's continue here. Default line is the main one, right? Messages, main line. Cellular data, main line. And on, right? Okay, once we've completed the step, then now we're going to enter here to main. We need to have data roaming activated, because if we don't activate data roaming, the device won't be able to browse the internet. So it's necessary to activate data roaming. And here it is. The data roaming is already active or not. Well, now let's check if this method works. Okay. Let's put it in airplane mode. If putting it in airplane mode and turn it off, and it's still the same, well, let's do the next step, which is to turn off. what it is, what the device, so that the Ureta Turbo SIM can detect it, you have to wait for the signal to stabilize here with the other SIM card. Yes, here it is. It seems to be coming up. Let's check now if it can browse the internet, but it still doesn't. So let's do what I mentioned. Let's turn off the device. Done. There, the device, well, we turn it off so that the signal can finish stabilizing with the AirSIM. Let's turn the device on again. Let's turn it on to confirm that the method worked perfectly for us, right? So we have to wait for the device to start again. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Yes, this is completely normal. So don't worry. Yes, all right, let's go again here. Let's go again here. Ready. We wait for the signal to start stabilizing. We wait for the signal to start stabilizing. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what happens. We have to wait. So if you don't have patience, if you are a very impatient person, this QPE method is not for you. So we wait. Let's check that everything is fine. Yes, apparently yes. Let's see here. Tikoaka let's rana es tusia if I did la wakia. Nosu not yet, but because here the two SIM cards need to appear registered.
Yes.
Let's wait. We're going to put you in airplane mode. We're going to turn off airplane mode. Let's see what happens now. And this says no service. We wait for it to recover the signal. We wait for the signal to recover. Okay, so I'm going to enter the turbo sim settings and reactivate it. Let's reactivate it. Okay, now both lines do appear here. Okay, we turn off the Wi-Fi because the signal is starting to stabilize.
we need to wait a moment.
Ready, the signal appears here. Let's test to see if it now browses the internet. Ready? Now it is browsing the internet. As you can see, the QPE method is already working. And there it is. Let's make a call.
Welcome to the ENA call center. It is our pleasure to assist you.
Ready. As you can see, we already did the QPE method using the famous MKSD Ultra. As you saw, this takes its time. It takes a while to do. With patience, it can be achieved. This QPE method leaves your device with the perfect signal. With this, you won't have any losses, right? Good with your signal on the mobile device using the QPE method, and this will makes it perfect, right? The signal is perfect. You don't have to keep reactivating it every moment when you use for example, the TMSI configuration or the manual or TMC configuration. That does make your device have to reactivate, right? But the QPE method does not. Well, guys, that's all for today. So see you. Take care. Until next time. Bye.